How to fix high definition audio device missing in Windows 11. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you can simply right click on this little icon, then tap on Device Manager. Inside here, you can simply expand Sound, Video, and Game Controller, and just like that, look for your audio device such as Realtek Audio. If you don't see it, tap on View, then tap on Show Hidden Device, then this will reveal missing or hidden audio drivers. Now right-click on Audio Driver, then click on Update Driver. Select Browse from my computer for driver, and just like that, simply tap on Let me pick from list of available drivers. Now uncheck Show Compatible Hardware, scroll down and then select Microsoft. After that, press on Next, and just like that, window will install the driver. Once it's done, restart your PC to apply the changes, and just like that, your missing high definition audio device should now be fixed in Windows 11. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.